What's up, my people? I hope all is well. In today's recipe, I'm making some Escovitch tofu. So let's get straight to the recipe. I'm using the super firm tofu, but you can always use extra firm. So I'm just going to remove it from the package and pat it dry with a paper towel. You can choose to cut this in whichever shape of your choice. Now once I'm done here, I'm going to season and fry on both sides until golden brown. Once you're done here, add some oil to your pot. Once it's heated properly, add your tofu and fry until golden brown on both sides. Now what I'm going to do to flavor the oil a bit, I'm going to add some garlic and thyme. Baking is always an option, alright, so you can choose to bake the tofu if you want. Once the tofu is nicely fried on both sides, remove and place in a paper towel just to drain some of the excess oil. After I'm done here, I'm going to move on to the Escovitch sauce. So to make the sauce, you will need bell peppers, carrot, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, pimento seeds, some vinegar, and as always I will list all the ingredients in the description, so make sure to check that out. I did not want this to be too spicy, so I'm using only 2 scotch bonnet pepper and I removed most of the seeds. I'm gonna saute the veggies starting with the carrot, followed by the onion and the peppers. Now you don't want to cook this for too long, a minimum of 2 to 3 minutes. You still want your veggies to have some crunch. Also added the pimento seeds. I'm also going to add the vinegar, a little bit of sugar and a pinch of salt, and allow this to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. The sugar is going to balance out that tartness from the vinegar. Alright, so once you've added everything to your pot, give this about 1 to 2 minutes, and as I said, you don't want your veggies to be overcooked. You still want some crunch. Escovitch sauce up and running. This smells and tastes really good. So what you're gonna do now is to pour this over your tofu. Allow the tofu to soak up all this nice flavor. The longer you have this sit, the stronger the flavor. You think this tastes good now? Wait until the next day. There you have it, my people. You can choose to serve this with rice and peas, bami, festival. You can even use this to make a sandwich. The choice is yours. Here I served it with some rice and peas. I also served it with some festival and ackee. Listen, this was amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know if you do. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bless upon yourself.